Irregular verbs.
To be. In the present, am, are, is. In the past, was, were. In the past participle, been. To have. In the present, have, has. In the past, had. In the past participle, had. To do. In the present, do, does. In the past, did. In the past participle, done. To go. In the present, go, goes. In the past, went. In the past participle, gone. To eat. In the present, eat, eats. In the past, ate. In the past participle, eaten. To see. In the present, see, sees. In the past, saw. In the past participle, seen. To come. In the present, come, comes. In the past, came. In the past participle, come. To take. In the present, take, takes. In the past, took. In the past participle, taken. To speak. In the present, speak, speaks. In the past, spoke. In the past participle, spoken. To write. In the present, write, writes. In the past, wrote. In the past participle, written. To run. In the present, run, runs. In the past, ran. In the past participle, run. To sing. In the present, sing, sings. In the past, sang. In the past participle, sung. To break. In the present, break, breaks. In the past, broke. In the past participle, broken. To drive. In the present, drive, drives. In the past, drove. In the past participle, driven. To take. In the present, take/takes. In the past, took. In the past participle, taken. To choose. In the present, choose, chooses. In the past, chose. In the past participle, chosen. To become. In the present, become, becomes. In the past, became. In the past participle, become. To drink. In the present, drink, drinks. In the past, drank. In the past participle, drunk. To fly. In the present, fly, flies. In the past, flew. In the past participle, flown. To give. In the present, give, gives. In the past, gave. In the past participle, given. To shake. In the present, shake, shakes. In the past, shook. In the past participle, shaken. To begin. In the present, begin, begins. In the past, began. In the past participle, begun. To swim. In the present, swim, swims. In the past, swam. In the past participle, swum. To break. In the present, break, breaks. In the past, broke. In the past participle, broken. To choose. In the present, choose, chooses. In the past, chose. In the past participle, chosen. To hide. In the present, hide/hides. In the past, hid. In the past participle, hidden. To catch. In the present, catch, catches. In the past, caught. In the past participle, caught. To fall. In the present, fall, falls. In the past, fell. In the past participle, fallen. To forgive. In the present, forgive, forgives. In the past, forgave. To teach. In the present, teach, teaches. In the past, taught. In the past participle, taught. To feel. In the present, feel, feels. In the past, felt. In the past participle, felt. To hold. In the present, hold, holds. In the past, held. In the past participle, held. To build. In the present, build, builds. In the past, built. In the past participle, built. To freeze. In the present, freeze, freezes. In the past, froze. In the past participle, frozen. To keep. In the present, keep/keeps. In the past, kept. In the past participle, kept. To know. In the present, know, knows. In the past, knew. In the past participle, known. To ride. In the present, ride, rides. In the past, rode. In the past participle, ridden. To think. In the present, think, thinks. In the past, thought. In the past participle, thought. To wear. In the present, wear, wears. In the past, wore. In the past participle, worn. To win. In the present, win, wins. In the past, won. In the past participle, won.